So yeah, hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Motovlog Brownie. Today we are here again in the Java showroom. So today, there is a new arrival actually in the Indian market now. I mean to say, a lot of changes to the old Java 42. So whatever we had in the last year. So this year, fresh 2021. So we have the version 2.1 of Java 42. We have done a video on Java Parak as well. You can check out in the iCard which is coming above. So we are going to soon discuss what are the changes that we had in this vehicle right now. So I think if you like this video, please do share, comment and subscribe to our channel. To know the differences and all those other specification changes, we will call Tej here from the showroom, and Tej is going to explain us. Hi Tej.
Hi sir.
How are you?
Fine.
I think it's nice meeting you again. Okay, Tej, what are the changes and when this bike was in this version and in this color profile and the design has been launched in Java?
Java, this colors was launched this month only. So we have all three colors,
Okay.
three branding colors. So one is the All Star Black, and one is the Oran Red, and one is the Cyrus White.
Okay.
And they also use the Crossport technology. The better
So with
flow.
the help of Crossport, what happens is the air intake is sufficiently runs
Air
inside the
intake
system.
sufficiently to the combustion chamber,
Uh-huh.
and it releases the power and torque.
So that
For
you
a
will get a
better
better
riding experience.
riding experience and the mileage also a little bit
Also
improves.
increase.
Okay. See, there is a saying that once there will be norms changes in the vehicle, the exhaust sound is going to be decreased as much as possible because of the norms to follow that. So is it the same which happened with this vehicle as well?
Yeah, it's the same, but we have a little bit of increase in thumb.
Okay.
Not about the sound, it's the thumb.
Thump is increased.
Thump is increased.
Okay.
And we have a classic sport stripes on the tank
Uh-huh.
till the tail.
Okay.
It looks a little different.
Uh-huh.
And we also have a numerical thing in the side
Okay. They have given it here as a 42.
as a 42 in the side boxes.
Okay. So is there any changes in the numbers of the engine that you talk about? I mean the torque and the BHP.
Yeah, 27.33 Nm bhp.
Okay.
And 27.02 Nm of torque.
Torque. That is about the specifications of the engine, and what is the cosmetic changes and what are the additions to the vehicle which has been added?
One is we have a powder coated painting
Okay.
with the body as well as the engine. So we have additional accessories as a fly guard, and another is the headlight grill.
Headlight.
And the bar and mirrors comes as a standard fitment with the vehicle.
Okay. So I could see there is a changes in the alloy wheel also, and there is implementation of alloy wheels to the vehicle now, because previously it was a spoke wheel completely.
And these alloy wheels can be used for the older version of 42 and the classic also.
Oh, they gave a upgrade also. If you want to change it to the alloy wheels, they can get the vehicle and you will get them. So black as a standard you are going to get for all the vehicles. If you want to the older versions also,
Older versions also.
where they were using a spoke wheel, and you can just upgrade it. If you get it to the
Credit for the alloy wheels.
if one wants to change their spoke wheel to a alloy wheel for the previous generation of this motorcycle, so what is the cost for them?
It costs around 12,000 for the both the wheels.
12,000. Oh, okay, that's a great deal. To change it. And it is a alloy wheels. Obviously, there is an option that which has been given, which is a tubeless tire for this vehicle. Next, is there any changes in the tire size, or is it the same thing which has been
Tire
carried?
size is same.
Almost the same. Okay.
The telescopic suspension has been retuned for the
Okay.
better ground clearance and a better grip for the road also.
And there will be a comfort also with that, you know. I think the catalytic converter has, you know, gone down into the whatever that you are seeing here. Inside this there is a plate kind of, so everything gone in there, so that, you know, it gives a very clean look for the vehicle. Anything about the seat?
The cushioning has been retuned for the better comfort, better seating comfort.
Okay. So what about the tank capacity? Is it retained the same or somewhere different?
Tank capacity is coming out 13.2 liters.
13.2. Is it the same from the before?
Yeah, it's the same.
It's same. Okay. And there are two additional things. One is the windscreen that you are going to get now, and the headlight grill also. These two are the additional accessories.
These two are the additional accessories. The bar and mirror comes as a standard fitment.
Standard fitment. Okay. So what is the cost of those two things that if somebody wants to, you know, put it on their vehicle?
The fly screen cost around 1499.
Okay.
And the headlight grill is 199.
199. Okay, somewhere close to 1,600 rupees is what you are going to get. So there are different names which has been carried with the colors. When you say Cyrus white, and, you know, for a, you know, different name for a black color and a red. So what does what made you know, the Java to keep those names?
So these names are being related to the universe,
Okay.
or the planet. These All-Star Black or Cyrus White or Orion Red has been the brightest stars of the universe.
So brightest stars of the
brightest
universe. So
stars,
so they have kept it
They
the
have
same name
kept
to this
it as
vehicle.
the names for this vehicles.
Okay. So these are about the colors. I think the tail lamps and the headlight, everything is as normal. The tail is a, you know, LED, and the front is normal halogen.
So we have a trip meter over here. So this is the trip meter A and the trip meter B.
Okay. So the trip meter can be, you know, adjusted
Yeah.
with here. That has been given in the handlebar itself. Okay. Okay. There is a small you know, odometer readings which has been given here, so that you can see whether you are at what speed exactly by, you know. I think this white, probably there was a complaint that, you know, people cannot see it exactly, you know, on what speed they are riding. So this is an added advantage which has been given here, and that's great. And everything resembles the same apart from this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are all the pretty good changes that they had, and all the maintenance and everything resembles the same as the previous version of you know, Java for 42 what you had. And okay, there has to be a price difference for sure with the older models and the newer model 2.1 version. What is that, you know, the increase of price which has been done with this?
We have 8,000 of increase we have. So we have 241.
Okay.
2,41,000 on road.
Now. In Mysore, we have 2,41,000 as an on-road price for this vehicle. I think with all this cosmetic and everything, you know, has been changed. 8,000 is, you know, somewhere you know, acceptable for this range of a vehicle. I think thanks for Java for, you know, getting, you know, all the feedbacks which was worked out with this, you know, new version, which you call it as 2.1. So that's great to see, and hope, I think our subscribers, you know, who are looking into the biking segment, where, you know, they have a confusion to buy, you know, few of the motorcycles, and Java previous version was, you know, a little bit old, and 2.1 was refreshing to the market. Okay, thank you so much, you know, for explaining, Tej.
Thank you, sir.
And I think we'll soon meet again with another colors or different models as well. So hoping for that. So okay, here we go for a test ride, and the key ignition has been given at the side. So the bike has been started. So sorry guys, you know, the voice couldn't capture you know, due to some reason with the mic inside the helmet. So I'll be giving a voiceover for you whatever I have felt on this bike. So for the ride, the seats were very comfortable. As I said, there are added cushion in the seats, so it felt comfortable for us while riding. So there is a small tweak in the power, 0.3, you know, bhp's, 0.33 bhp's more. So that doesn't make any, you know, difference. You know, I felt it is as normal as before. Yeah, there is a, you know, tweak in the engine that they have there. So the telescopic suspensions, they said they have really tweaked it really well.
So the reason we can see that all the bumps were soaked very easily without scraping the belly of the vehicle. That's for sure. So everything else has been the same. The way it looks is somewhere everything changes over the looks. So that's really cool. And these bikes are now a high grabber in the Indian market now. I think it's a great head turner as well. So let's see. This is all for today's vlog, and do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and keep supporting, guys.
So please visit Java Sri Jain Mobikes Mysuru for the test rides and best deals. Thank you.